Good day, this is Dr. Amudapriya, Associate Professor Triply from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Palkulam. We are discussing about the course Power System Operation and Control, and in this lecture we will deal with the Energy Management System. So, Energy Management System is the process of monitoring, coordinating and controlling the generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy. Obviously, we know that the electrical energy when generated will be transmitted and distributed, and finally it has to be consumed by the consumers because storage of electrical energy is highly limited, and so that energy has to be managed appropriately. It is performed at centers like a system control centers, right? And the data acquisition and remote control is performed by the computer system called SCADA, which forms the front end of the energy management system. The EMS communicates with the generating, transmission and distribution systems through the SCADA system. And the EMS consists of energy management and then AGC, security control, SCADA, load management, etc. We can see this is the how it has been arranged at the application level, the utility services, the database and the operating system. So how does it work? Initially, it will monitor the process condition or the plant area condition or the machines, the parameters which can be varied are being first monitored, and then it is undergone with certain analysis whether it is right or wrong, whether it is within the limit or not. All these conditions will be analyzed. If suppose there is an abnormality, that is if the parameters value is greater or less than the predetermined value, then a feedback will be sent to the decision maker in order to carry out the corrective actions. So the functions of energy management system are system load forecasting, which may be hourly or from 1 to 7 days, unit commitment for 1 to 7 days, for a week, fuel scheduling to plants, hydrothermal scheduling up to 7 days, megawatt interchanges evaluation, transmission loss minimization, maintenance scheduling, production cost calculation, etc. So these functions are what does they do is it leads to the betterment of the system operation. So data acquisition, as we know, it has been through telemetered measurements, telemetered measurements. Then the supervisory control, select before operate procedure can be used. For tagging, it identifies the device as a subject to specific operating restrictions, and this will prevent the unauthorized operation. Alarms for indicating the criticality, and acknowledgement may be required, the logging and the load shed and the trending, which are the reactions favoring the actions of the energy management systems. So these are the different advantages of energy management system, and while considering the key difference, it will support the virtual device concept. So this is one of the which is one of the betterment in the digitalized system.